अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. How are you students? Hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at your home. I am Rabia Naim, your mathematics teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Let's start our 10th lecture of math subject for class 5. But before starting the lecture, I'll suggest you keep your stationery, your Oxford Countdown book and a notebook with you. Let's look at your first term syllabus. The first chapter has been covered in previous lectures, in which we have learned to read and write the numbers up to 1 billion, addition and subtraction of numbers, multiplication and division of numbers, application of Bodmer's rule on numbers. This lecture is about temperature. In this lecture, you will learn about temperature and the instrument used to measure it. Different temperature scales as Celsius and Fahrenheit. Conversion of units of temperature means you will be able to convert the temperature in Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale and vice versa. Till now we have learned various types of measurements, such as we measure money using rupees and paise as our units of measurements, length, weight and capacity using measures based on the metric system, and the area covered by an object, and time, something we need to measure all through the day. But there are plenty of other things to be measured in the world around us. One of them is temperature. Here we shall read how to measure temperature. Sometimes we feel hot, while sometimes we feel cold. It happens only due to change in temperature. Here fire is hot, but ice is cold. A hot object is said to have high temperature, but a cold object has low temperature. Thus, temperature shows the degree of hotness or coldness of any object. When we touch any hot or cold object, we can feel which is hot and which is cold, but it is difficult to know the exact level of hotness or coldness. To find the exact level of hotness or coldness, we use special instrument called thermometer. Thermometer is also called heat measuring instrument. The most common type of thermometer is a glass tube with a very narrow inner tube, which is called bore. A bulb at one end contains mercury or some other liquid. The mercury reaches a certain distance up the bore. When the temperature rises, the liquid in the bulb expands and is pushed up the narrow bore. When the temperature falls, the liquid contracts and is pushed back down the bore. If you look carefully at a thermometer, you will see a series of tiny numbers marked along its glass tube, which indicates the temperature of any object. Temperature is measured in degrees. A temperature degree is marked by a small symbol besides the number that indicates the temperature, like 38 degree. Two different temperature scales are commonly used: the Fahrenheit scale, the Celsius scale. These two temperature scales are measured on a range between two reference points: the melting point of ice, also known as the freezing point of water, and the boiling point of water. The Fahrenheit scale is named after a German scientist, Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. It has the melting point of ice at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and the boiling point of water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. United States of America and England use this Fahrenheit scale for weather observation and other purposes. The Celsius scale, commonly known as centigrade scale. This scale was devised in 1741 by a Swedish astronomer, Anders Celsius. Its two reference points are 0 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees Celsius. It is used in many countries including Pakistan and also used by the international scientific community. There are big differences between these two scales. A day that 28 degrees Celsius would be warm outside, but a day that 28 degrees Fahrenheit would be very cold. Fahrenheit and Celsius both use different temperature scales for the freezing and boiling points of water. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius. While in Fahrenheit, water freezes at 32 degrees and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Similarly, the normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, while in Fahrenheit it is 98.6 degrees. The Celsius is the simplest way of measuring temperature. However, the value of these measuring scale is convertible to each other by applying certain mathematical calculations. The rules which are used in this conversion are given below. When the temperature is given in degrees Celsius, divide the given temperature by 5. The quotient we obtained from step 1. Multiply it by 9. Then add 32 with the product we obtained from step 2 to get the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. इस रूल के मुताबिक हम गिवन टेम्परेचर को सबसे पहले 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे और क्वोशिएंट को 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे। फिर आंसर में 32 ऐड करके गिवन टेम्परेचर को फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे। मगर स्टेप 1 और स्टेप 2 को हम इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हैं। अगर हम गिवन टेम्परेचर को सबसे पहले 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और उसके बाद आंसर को 5 से डिवाइड करें और फिर लास्ट स्टेप अप्लाई करने के बाद जो रिजल्ट हमारे पास आएगा उस रिजल्ट पर कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होगा। इन दोनों रूल से हमें सेम और एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट हासिल होगा। When the temperature is given in degrees Fahrenheit, अगर टेम्परेचर फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल में दिया गया हो, then first we need to subtract 32 from the given temperature. हम सबसे पहले 32 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और फिर डिफरेंस को हम 9 से डिवाइड कर देंगे। इसके बाद क्वोशिएंट को हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। Then we get the temperature in degrees Celsius. यहाँ पर भी हम स्टेप 2 और स्टेप 3 मीन्स डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम आपस में एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं। मीन्स गिवन टेम्परेचर में से 32 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद अगर हम पहले 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें और उसके बाद 9 से डिवाइड करें तब भी रिजल्ट सेम रहेगा। By using these steps, we can easily derive formulae which can help us to convert temperature scales. Let's solve some parts of question number 6 from exercise 5E, page number 112. Convert the temperature into the other scale. Here given temperature is 45 degrees Celsius and we have to convert it into degrees Fahrenheit. You know the conversion rule of Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale? Let's write formula. To convert into degrees Fahrenheit, first divide 45 by 5 and we get quotient as 9. Then multiply the quotient by 9 and answer we get is 81. Now add 32 to 81 and the final answer we get is 113. Therefore, 45 degrees Celsius is equals to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's convert the temperature from Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale. Here given temperature is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Now write conversion formula to convert Fahrenheit scale into Celsius scale. To convert into degrees Celsius, first we need to subtract 32 from 77. We get 45. Then divide 45 by 9. We get answer as 5. In third step, we multiply the quotient by 5 and we get 25. Therefore, 77 degrees Fahrenheit is equals to 25 degrees Celsius. The remaining parts of question number 6 is your homework. You have to do these parts in your math notebook. If you have any question about this lecture, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for listening this lecture. Allah Hafiz.